20 Minutes Setswana presents.
Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're on the farm. Are you ready to learn some new words, kids? Now, on this farm, there is a cow, a sheep, a pig, and a chicken. Do you know what the word is for cow in Sesotho? Very good. It's kom.
Dumela kom.
And what is the word for sheep in Sesotho? That's right. It's nku.
Dumela nku.
Now, what is the word for pig in Sesotho? That's right. It's variki.
Dumela bariki.
And what is the word for chicken in Sesotho? Very good. It's ko.
Dumela kom.
And now you know the names of the farm animals. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Bye.